Attention please. This uploading is only for educational purpose. No intention to infringe copyrights. Learning English with subtitles. GPITRAL. Follow us.
In the last 60 minutes, we've been making over this family home in Eastbourne. Stacey's been helping us, but her 9 brothers and sisters and Mum Lorraine have no idea what's been going on.
Oh, she's lovely, isn't she? Hello.
I'm looking at everyone coming in. I'm saying, where's all them people?
Hiya. How you doing?
I'm all right.
You all right?
Yeah.
I'm wondering what's happening.
I'm wondering why everyone was all sitting on the wall. I could see the big van.
Yeah. Now, while you've been away today with all the kids, and we know you don't go out that often, it's just been a big thing for you, hasn't it? The 60-minute makeover team have been in and done your house up for you. Stacey put the call in, didn't you?
Yep.
Yeah.
She's taking as much as I am.
Yeah. How you feeling?
Excited. Really excited.
Nervous?
Yeah.
Okay, well, we're going to get the 3 boys in and take them up to see the room.
I can't, honestly, I can't believe it.
It's lovely. Well, you deserve it. You certainly deserve it. So should we get the boys in, take them up to the room? Come on.
The football crazy boys' room was unfurnished and basic. Now they have their very own Celtic park, and each one has a bed.
Here we go, boys. Come in. Oh. Hey.
Oh. That's brilliant.
It's a Celtic room. Yes.
We've seen that straight away. Look.
If you stand here, boys, you can see everything more clearly then. And take it all in, yeah? Have you seen the wall? That's what the team do, isn't it, before they play a game? Okay. And have you noticed something else, what you've got? How many beds?
3. You fitted 3 beds in.
Yeah.
This room was so small, I thought I'd never fit 3 beds in here.
So
You have done it.
You've all got your own bed. What do you think, Ryan? Hey. What do you think about this room, eh? Do you like it? Yeah? And we've got your room here for your computer. You've got all your storage. You got your football with your own net for your goal. Wicked. Wicked. Would you think it's wicked as well? Or have you got another word for it?
Cool.
Cool.
What do you think, Ryan?
Cool. Excellent.
Let's see what we've got here. Look what we have got here. What do we think of that, eh?
Oh, look.
Look at that! You got one each, see? You've already got yours on, haven't you? There you go. You boys have gone all quiet on
I've
us,
never
haven't
known
you?
them so quiet. They're really quiet.
I know. Well, listen, we're going to leave you to have a little look round.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome. And we'll see you later. Bye-bye.
The kitchen was drab with outdated units. Now it's modern with brand new appliances.
Fabulous kitchen.
It's totally different.
Oh.
You have done wonders. Wonders, honestly.
Yeah. It's gorgeous, isn't it? Look at the photo.
Oh! It's like a dream, Claire. I can't believe this, honestly.
It's so different. So you've got all your brand new appliances as well.
It's beautiful. It's really beautiful.
It's gorgeous.
Thank you.
You're a bit lost for words, aren't you,
Yeah.
Lorraine, yeah?
It doesn't look like it's in the same house, does it?
No.
Thank you.
That's a pleasure. You deserve it. You do. Okay. You're right. In shock, aren't you?
Yeah.
Don't have a look at your bedroom.
Yeah.
Come on.
The main bedroom was all blue and lacked warmth. Now it's got style. A great room to relax in.
This is beautiful.
It's so different.
Yeah, that's lovely.
There's the flowers we painted, aren't they, Stacey? Yep. You can see that there's a big bed and a smaller bed. This smaller bed has a guard for it, a baby guard.
Okay.
You're going to be moving out, aren't you?
Yeah.
You've got your own house. So
Yeah.
You're going to be moving out in the next couple of weeks.
Yeah.
So, you know, that'll be your bed and then Paige's bed with the baby guard.
Yeah,
And she can also
massive.
grow into that bed as well.
Yeah. This is lovely. I could never do anything like this.
I know we've got the cot as a keep me, and we haven't thrown that away. The cot is still there, so you can put that where you choose, really, or if you want to take it with you.
Okay then.
So, but we just wanted to give you and Paige your own beds. Okay, well, should we head into the lounge?
Yep.
Yeah, and we'll get all the kiddies in.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, come on, let's go.
The lounge was bare with worn furniture. And now they've got a modern and child-friendly living space.
Come here. Come on. Hey. Oh. Isn't it lovely?
Bit on.
Thank you.
Look at your flames.
Oh, there's a photo of the kids on the blinds.
All the kids. All the different stages growing up as well. Look at the fish.
It's lovely. It's really
The
lovely.
fish tank. That's gorgeous, isn't it? In the file. Brand new telly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But comfy chairs to sit on as well.
We've done loads and
That
loads
is
of bean
beautiful.
bags. Come on, sit down. Now, Stacey put them up, didn't you, Stacey?
Yeah.
Put them up in order of age. Do you like it?
It's lovely. It's really lovely.
Yeah. What she wanted to do with this was make it really, really child-friendly. So everything you can wipe down, the floor, you can mop, the sofas you can wipe down,
It's all easy to clean, yeah.
all the bean bags. The wallpaper, see that?
Yeah.
Now, I'm not sure whether you want to tell the kids this, but I'll tell you this. That wallpaper, you can draw it inside the squares. So each kid can do a little drawing inside, but you might not want that in your front room.
Maybe not. It's too nice.
Hello. I am the Pied Piper of Hamelin. And I bought a few of them. I just rounded up as many as I could off the street. Come on in, gang. What do you reckon?
Have you got your space already, Jamie? It's Jamie in it.
Do you like the new fish tank? Look at the fish tank. And you can draw on the wallpaper as well, especially designed, so you can stick pictures on it and draw on it too.
Well,
there you go.
I just asked Mum if she wanted to tell the kids that. She said,
All right.
maybe not.
Oh well, sorry about that.
Now, kids, there's one rule in this front room, right? When you finish playing with your toys, they go into these drawers. See these drawers underneath? So you've got to keep it nice and clean and tidy for your mum, yeah?
Brilliant.
What's your favourite bit, Jamie?
Upstairs.
Okay, kids, well, we're going now, so enjoy the
Yeah.
house.
Yes,
Yes.
Stacey, that's for you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, everybody.
Bye-bye. Thank you, Stacey.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Oh, well done, team. The boys absolutely loved it, Catherine. Excellent makeover. So from all of us here in sunny Eastbourne, bye-bye.
Bye.